everybody, welcome back to another video of the Vote Check Experience, where idiots are still always us. Always me. Always. Anyway, in this video, I want to do a little taste test video. As you recall, last summer I did a video where I taste tested the new, the Dr. Pepper cream soda combo, and I thought I'd do that again, for this particular drink that I want to taste, which is, let me get it out of my pocket here. It's the new Mountain Dew called General Melon. And, of course, I got the zero sugar kind because, you know, hey, diabetic here. But anyway, I'm curious as to what it tastes like. This Mountain Dew just came out not that long ago. And yesterday, my wife and my mother and I, and my grandmother too, can't forget her, we were all at Walmart doing some shopping, and we came across this, and we're like, hey, let's, you know, get some, let's try it. And of course, we also got the regular kind, the kind that has sugar in it, but because of me being diabetic, we just, you know, we had to get the zero sugar because I don't want to spike my sugar any more than it already gets spiked as it is. But yeah, I've been looking forward to doing this all day because once I saw this, immediately I told everybody, I'm like, hey, tomorrow I'm doing a video about this. So here we go. Let's do it. Let's taste this bad boy. See what it tastes like. Oh, there we go. Open it so it's not like flying everywhere. Smells pretty good. We'll see if it tastes as good as it smells. No? Here we go. Major Melon. Not bad. Definitely not bad. Good flavor, good taste. It's got a nice little watermelon-y flavor. I'm hoping that's what it's supposed to be. I mean, I'm assuming it's supposed to be some kind of watermelon since it's got a watermelon right here, so yeah. I better stop drinking before I drink the whole can. I gotta save that bad boy for later. So after I'm done doing this video, I gotta help my grandmother set up a new TV, so. But yeah, there it is. There's the new Mountain Dew. Major Melon is the name. Tastes pretty much like watermelon. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the watermelon flavored gum. I'm not sure if the regular version of it with the sugar tastes any different than the zero sugar. But I decided not to kind of do that comparison here because, like I said, diabetic. Don't need my blood sugar getting any higher than it already is. So, so yeah, there you have it. It's something I would recommend. It's right up there for me, at least with Mountain Dew's Baja Blast. So that's pretty good by my standards. So I would highly recommend that you try this if you have not tried it yet. It just might be your new flavor of Mountain Dew. So with that, I really want to get drink some more of that. So I'm going to end this video here. So like I said, with that, that's going to about do it for this video. So if you like this little review of the new Mountain Dew, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you get notified of future videos. And if you want to support this channel, you can click the Patreon link and check us out on Patreon. The link for that is down below. And of course, if you want to follow me on Instagram, the link for that is down below. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, the link for that is also down below. And Twitter, you can find me on Twitter. That link is down below as well. And also, don't forget to give my Facebook page a little like. The link for that is down below as well with all the others. And of course, if you want to support the channel by buying some of our merch, you can go and visit our merch store. The link for that is down below as well. With that, that's going to about do it for this video. I hope you all have a good day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!